Hello everyone, my name is Dhawale Pallavi. Our today's topic name is loops. Java uses the multiple types of loop to perform in infinite multiple operation infinite time. There are three main type of loops in Java. First is for loop, the second is while loop, and third is do while loop. In for loop, Java for loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iteration is fixed, then it is recommended to use for a loop. For loop is the same as a C++. We can initialize the variable, check condition, and increment decrement value. It consists of four types of initialization. Firstly, we will see initialization. What is mean by initialization? It is the initial condition which is executed only one when the loops are start. We can initialize the variable, or we can already initialize the variable. It is optional. Second is a conditional condition. It is the second condition which is executed each time when enter into the loop and executed until the condition is false. It must return boolean value, either true or false. Third type of increment decrement value. If increment decrement value, we can increment decrement the variable value. In Java uses nested for loop. If we have known as nested while loop, it is completely whenever outer loop. Then next part of while loop. Java while loop is used to iterate the part of program repeatedly. While loop same work as for loop. Then we can use also for loop or while loop. If we use true in the while loop, then it will be infinite loop, because there is any exist condition. Next, Java do while loop. Do while loop is called as the exist control loop, and therefore unlike while loop and for loop, do while loop checks the condition end of the loop body. Then the Java do while loop is executed at least only once, because condition is check after loop body. Different type of do while loop. There are different type of do while loop. Condition is the expression which is tested. If the condition is true, then loop body is executed and goes to the updated expression, and when the false loop, then we can execute and terminate our program. There are I have difference between for loop, while loop, and do while loop. In for loop, the for loop is a control flow of Java program that iterates the part of the program multiple times. And in while loop, the Java while loop is the control flow statement that executed the statement, a part of programs repeatedly on the basis of given boolean condition. And in do while loop, the Java do while loop is a control flow statement that executed the part of program at least one, and further expression is depending upon the condition. And in second difference is in for loop, if the number of iteration fixed, then we can use for loop. If the number of condition is not fixed, if the number of iteration is not fixed, then we use while loop. And if the condition iteration number of fixed, then we check the condition, another condition is true, then we can use do while loop. That is all about the loop. Loop is a very important concept in the Java. and that's enough for today. Thank you so much.